Wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. Another day again in paradise, yes? Under the orchid tree. So, all of this is epiphytes, ear plants and orchids, right? Epiphytes. Now, this one is King Django. It was created 3 years ago by the great me, right? So we have the Tillandsia sienna, the pink quill. We have the Tillandsia caput medusa at him foot right there, and we have another caput medusa on his hand. That those are his fingers, right? This is him head. The coconut is a coconut, right? And upon the head, you have the Tillandsia fuego, right? So it's all a creation that we create, right? The next arm is Tillandsia Belize, right? So it is all there. Tillandsia fasciculata is the crown, right? Moving around along behind here now, we have Tillandsia dried, and as you can see, Tillandsia dried is growing and giving me a lot of pups and stuff like that, right? So it's a growing plant, a growing creation that I created, right? And it will always be growing. So that is the Tillandsia king, right? No, that is the Tillandsia curly slim, and the Tillandsia curly slim, him getting ready to bloom very soon. He's gonna push out some blooms right there, and all of these plants, they don't need any soil and them don't need any water. Tillandsia curly slim is a hybrid from Tillandsia streptophilia. That is Tillandsia intermedia, right? And around here we have the Tillandsia streptophilia, right? So the curly slim is the hybrid from the Tillandsia streptophilia and the Tillandsia intermedia that is up here, right? This is the Tillandsia intermedia, right? So those two plants created the Tillandsia curly slim as a hybrid, right? Here is another Tillandsia curly slim, and as you can see, it is very much established, sending roots all over just to hold on, because it don't really survive or take nutrients by the root. The root is just to anchor itself wherever it is, right? And this one is also getting ready to bloom. So that is the Tillandsia curly slim, right? Very interested plant because it grows upside down like one of the parent plant, and then it grows topside up like the other parent plant, right? So the two of them, this is the Tillandsia streptophilia, and as you can see, this Tillandsia streptophilia, it grow top-sided up, but it have the same greenery like the Tillandsia curly slim. But the curly slim grow upside down like the intermedia, right? So very interested plant, very interesting plant, right? Very interested plant. So that is the curly slim. Now we have other plants where we're going to do video on, but today we're just talking about the curly slim and King Django. Right? So this is a growing creation and it will always be evolving, right? So ear plants, epiphytes, is a very interesting plant. No soil, no water needed, right? So another time